Harry Potter collection set by J.K. Rowling. So today in this video, I'm going to unbox the Harry Potter collection set by J.K. Rowling, and I was very excited for it, and this book arrived today. The whole collection set with another book which I ordered with it arrived today. Hey, it's Priyangshu here from Book Hill, where we reviews books and talks about the latest and the famous book collection. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button, and all the links are given in the video. You can check the description box for all the links. So let's jump into it. So guys, as you can see, I have unboxed the whole set of the Harry Potter collection set. So I'm going to show you the individual books of Harry Potter. This is the first book in this series, the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Even it is called as the Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. You can see the cover of all the books which I have in this series is very different from rest of the covers because it is a very good cover. It has been published by the Bloomsbury publication, and you can see at last there is a photo of the author. And it is Hagrid, Harry Potter, Hermione and Ron, and in the back you can get a photo of an owl. And here you will find the other series of the Harry Potters also. To our next book, that is the Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. This is the second book of the series, the Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Here we have the front cover of the snake, and we have the Harry Potter. You can see in the last cover also we have the photo of the Dobby, who was the servant of the Malfoy's father. You can complete it within a single day and within 2 days also, because I have completed this Harry Potter whole series in a single day. We'll talk about the third book in the series, that is the Harry Potter and the Prisoners of Azkaban. Here you can see the Harry Potter and this white reindeer, and in the last we will find a picture of the bus which was the fastest bus in the Harry Potter movie, much more thicker than the other two. We will go to the fourth book. We'll go to the fourth book of the Harry Potter series, that is the Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. This book is an amazing book. I haven't read it, but I heard a lot of it about the other readers also. This story was that when Harry Potter was chosen for the competition, and everyone was shocked that how he was selected in the competition, how his name came in the Goblet of Fire, and he has to participate in the competition with the other rest of the members. The fifth book in the series is the most thickest book, the Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. I love the color of the book. It's very crimson red. It's very good book. It's in a red color, Order of the Phoenix. Here in the back of the picture you can find the photo of Professor Snape, and it is about, I think, 800 pages. Yeah, maximum 800 pages books is there. Sixth book in the series after the Order of the Phoenix, that is the Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. So you have seen in the movie also that who was the half. In the last, Professor Snape told Harry Potter that he was the Half-Blood Prince. This is the Dumbledore and Harry Potter when they were going to find the Horcrux, and after returning to the castle, the Dumbledore died. And I don't like that scene, but really it's a very heart-touching scene also. So this was that part of the scene which has been shown in this book cover. And in the last you can find the Draco Malfoy. And the last book of this series is the Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. This is the most fascinating book which I love. The last you can find there is a picture of Hagrid and Harry Potter. Hagrid took Harry Potter from his home to a very safe place so that Voldemort and his armies couldn't find him. but many people died also in that incident. And talking to our last and special book which I purchased is the Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. I have no idea about what is the book is. Everyone was saying that the book was not up to the mark, probably because if it was the first book then you might like it, but when you write such a nice book, the expectation of the readers will definitely increase, and whenever it will increase, the people will hope for more new books. I will have a review of this book, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. If you have read these books, please do comment me that how you like these books and what are your recommendations that I may read. See you in the next video.